Inside Velocity Magnetics in Newcastle, this test track employs magnetic frictionless motion-controlled braking and launch systems. While most of the company's customers are in the amusement park industry, Congressman Mike Kelly says the technology produced here could be a game changer for the military.
This is what we're looking at now as far as part of an aircraft carrier and launching our warplanes and doing things that we could never have done before.
The congressman received a full tour of the Velocity Magnetics warehouse Monday afternoon. He even tested the technology himself.
All right. In the end, we were able to achieve over 18 miles an hour, so 1812, which is good.
It was really exciting. This is incredible innovation taking place right here in Newcastle.
This technology here that we have is a whole new technology that's much more efficient than the technology that's on the aircraft carrier, which are linear induction motors versus linear synchronous motors.
Dominic Marzano, president and CEO of the company, says the EMALS, or electromagnetic aircraft launch systems, currently in use aboard the Gerald R. Ford class aircraft carriers, are not performing within standards and are not functioning properly.
President Trump's been talking about going back to steam, which is the conventional method of launching aircraft, the aircraft off the aircraft carriers. So we just want to let them know that there's another option out here. Everything's built in-house, 100% here at Velocity Magnetics. It's a whole new type of technology. It's about 4 or 5 years old, and it's much, much more efficient and reliable than what they're dealing with right now on the aircraft carriers.
Marzano says he hopes his meeting with Kelly will spur interest in the technology, grabbing the attention of the Department of Defense or President Trump himself.
I believe we have a much better mousetrap here, if you will, than what they're attempting to utilize now.
So we're going to strengthen our military, we're going to strengthen our military products, and we're going to do it with homegrown talent.
Kelly says he can bring attention to Velocity Magnetics through leveraging his relationships in the White House.
Instead of it being placed on the bottom of the pile with stacks of ideas, why don't we get it to move to the top of the pile? A good friend of mine, Mick Mulvaney, is the Chief of Staff for the President. Give him a call and say, Mick, we've got something going on. I think it's a game changer for the country. I think it's a game changer for our Defense Department, and it's a game changer for our hardworking American taxpayers, because at the end of the day, they're the ones that pay for everything.
Marzano is also looking to expand the technology into the industrial automation field, boasting the technology's wide variety of applications.
This motor can be used as a servo motor as well. We can servo objects back and forth. We want to move robotics around assembly plants. We have technology that we're developing to be extremely accurate.
Every single thing that you see behind us, all is a product of Dom's mind. He designed it, he had it built. This is not from outside our country. This is all homegrown American, and we have Newcastle talent right here today working on it.
You can read more in Jeremy Leidick's story at businessjournaldaily.com.
.717 Credit Union, savings power to give your business an extra boost. Business savings, certificates, and business money market. .717 Credit Union, make your money work as hard as you do.